Recently, OpenAI made a significant change to ChatGPT. You no longer need an account to access it. When you visit chat.openai.com, you'll be directly dropped into a conversation with ChatGPT. The model used for logged-out users is the same as that for logged-in users. More than 100 million people from 185 countries are already using ChatGPT weekly for learning, creativity, and answers to their questions. While the account requirement is gone, there are some limitations. You won't be able to save or share chats. Custom instructions and other features associated with a persistent account won't be available. However, you can still opt out of having your chats used for training. Just click the question mark icon in the lower right corner and disable the feature. The free version of ChatGPT now has slightly more restrictive content policies. OpenAI has implemented safety mitigations to prevent harmful content generation. Additional safeguards address other forms of inappropriate content for the signed-out experience. OpenAI welcomes feedback and iteration on these policies. That's it for today's AI Update news. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of artificial intelligence.